In the vibrant Rainbow Kingdom, where colors come to life, a young girl named Mia discovers a hidden portal to a magical realm. Mia befriends a group of whimsical creatures, each representing a different color of the rainbow, who guide her on a quest to restore harmony to their land. The creatures reveal that the Prism of Light, a mystical artifact that controls the balance of colors in the kingdom, has been stolen by a shadowy figure. Mia and her new friends embark on a journey to the Luminous Caves, a maze of glowing tunnels where the Prism of Light is rumored to be hidden. To retrieve the prism, Mia must pass through the trial of the Color Guardians, facing challenges that test her creativity, empathy, and understanding of colors. Along the way, Mia befriends a luminous butterfly who illuminates the darkest parts and shares wisdom about the power of light and color. Deep within the caves, Mia discovers the Shadow Citadel, a fortress shrouded in darkness where the Prism of Light is held captive by the shadowy figure. The shadowy figure, revealed to be the color thief, challenges Mia to a duel of wits and creativity, seeking to claim the prism's power for themselves. To free the prism, Mia must solve the puzzle of harmony, a series of challenges that require her to blend colors, create art, and embrace the beauty of diversity. As Mia restores the prism to its rightful place, the colors of the Rainbow Kingdom shine brighter than ever, bringing joy, peace, and unity to all who dwell there. With the kingdom saved, Mia bids farewell to her colorful friends, carrying the memories of her magical adventure back to the human world. Mia shares the story of her journey with her friends and family, inspiring them to see the beauty in diversity and the power of creativity to change the world. The creatures of the kingdom gather to celebrate Mia's victory, painting the sky with rainbows and dancing in a kaleidoscope of hues to honor her bravery and kindness. As Mia gazes at the sunset, she knows that more adventures await, filled with color, wonder, and the enduring magic of the Rainbow Kingdom. End of the video.